Hello people of Godot, just want to show you here my setup. I have a Macbook Pro with retina display and here an external screen of full HD. So when I open Godot or Godot, let me see here, okay. So I don't know if it will open in this screen or the other screen. So let's try. Okay, it opened in this one. So here, when it's open, it opens here, it's fine, because when I play, I make run, then the window is in the middle. So I'm lucky when this happens, because if I put it on the other side, look, it's all big. Everything is too big, the letters. And so I don't know, I will see, I put it here, I close it. Okay, so I hope that next time I open it, it will open also in this window, so you can see the opposite. Godot, no, it's not here. Okay, so Godot, yes, opens here. So here it's fine, the writing is fine. When I open it, everything looks fine. But if I do a play, the windows open at the bottom every time. Yeah. So, and if I take the window and I put it on the other side, then everything is too small, really too small. Doesn't adapt. Other software do adapt to moving from one screen, full HD, to a retina display. Here it's too small. So you put it here. And also on the retina display, when I was using it, so when I opened it first on retina display, I noticed that it's flickering. Maybe you can see it or maybe not in the video. It's flickering even when the writing is at the correct size. So you see the trouble on Mac with an external monitor. That's the experience you have as a beginner. Of course, I think in a project I can fix some stuff like using HDPI. So I think it's I don't know. I've seen it, but rendering quality. I don't know. There was one thing. Maybe it could fix the build, the run. When you press run here, it could fix this problem of having the windows always at the bottom. But for the writing, when you move and it's too small to work, this I don't know how to fix it. That's the experience with a Mac with dual screens that I have. Bye bye.